Good afternoon, students. Welcome back in IT class. We are studying chapter 4th Advanced Features of LibreOffice Writer. In last class we have done notebook exercise. Hope your notebook exercise will be completed. So today we will do some question answers and you have to write these question answers in IT notebook. Answer the following questions. Question first is, how can we use thesaurus feature? First of all, question arises, what is the thesaurus feature? So thesaurus feature in LibreOffice Writer shows a list of alternative similar terms of a selected word. We can use this feature to avoid repetition of words and improve the quality of our document. If we need similar words and synonyms words, then we can use thesaurus feature. Now our question is, how can we use this feature? So answer is, first of all we will select the word for which we want to insert a synonym. Then we will click on the tools menu and then select thesaurus feature. Thesaurus dialog box will be appeared. From the list of synonym available, click the similar word whatever we want to use. For example, let us select the word beautiful. Here we have a lot of option, lot of synonym like fair, better, handsome, and here we will select good looking. And then we will click on the replace button. The word beautiful gets replaced by its similar term good looking. Question second is, explain the use of the find and replace feature. Answer is, find and replace feature in LibreOffice Writer allows us to find a particular word and replace it with another word in a document. If we want to search any word in our document, then we can use find and replace feature. Like if we want to find the word devices in our document, the word will be highlighted at all places in our document. And if we want to replace a word with another word in a document, then we can use the find and replace feature. कोई भी वर्ड अगर हम अपने डॉक्यूमेंट में सर्च करना चाहते हैं, then we will use this feature. Question third is, which types of lists can be created in LibreOffice Writer? Answer is, we can create bulleted and numbered lists in LibreOffice Writer. The lists help us to organize our data systematically. If we want to organize our text, our document, then we can create bulleted and numbered list in LibreOffice Writer. Numbered list means इसमें हम numbering दे सकते हैं अपने document में, and bulleted list means bulleted list shows small symbols like black filled circles, arrow, circle, rectangle, etc. Some small symbols like bullets. We can use bulleted and numbered list in our document to organize our text. Okay. Question fourth is, what is the difference between a header and a footer? Answer is, a header is always found at the top of the document. It usually shows the title of the document or the writer's name. Header means head. हमारी body में head कहाँ होता है? सबसे top में. So header means top of the document. अगर हम अपने डॉक्यूमेंट में हेडर देते हैं, सो सबसे टॉप में देंगे. एंड इट यूजुअली शोज़ द टाइटल ऑफ द डॉक्यूमेंट. जब भी हम अपने डॉक्यूमेंट में टाइटल देंगे तो वो एज ए हेडर दे सकते हैं. ओके. एंड ए फुटर इज़ ऑलवेज फाउंड एट द टॉप ऑफ द डॉक्यूमेंट. वी ऐड पेज नंबर, टाइटल और द राइटर्स नेम इन द फुटर. फुट कहाँ होंगे हमारी बॉडी में? सबसे बॉटम में. So footer means at the bottom of the document, and we can add page number, title or writer's name. Okay, it is not always necessary to add both header and footer in a document. We can either insert the header or the footer. So our chapter 4th work is completed, explanation is also completed and work is also completed. So Complete your work in your book and notebook also. Do neat and clean work and learn this exercise and question answers also. In this chapter, if you have any query, any doubt, then you can ask me without hesitation. Thank you.